Hello, 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 my food loving friends, and welcome back. So, we're at our little family garden and we'd planted some kale. So, today we decided to make a delicious kale Caesar. Yes, I don't know if you've had it, but you should try it because it's delicious, it's easy, it's somewhat healthy. And to go with this, we'll add some grilled chicken breast. And I'm telling you, you have to try this. So let's go ahead and make some Caesar dressing. Let's go. So grab your garlic, grab your bullet or blender, and grab one egg and your sauces, and let's go. Okay. So did you subscribe, like, and share? I hope you did, because now our Caesar dressing is ready. We're going to cover it up and put it in the fridge. And then we've washed our kale. Now we'll chop it up and get ready to just put it to the side. Make sure everything is prepped until the chicken is all done. So we did it, my food loving friends. We made a Caesar kale salad with grilled chicken on the side. Yummy. I will tell you this, it was very delicious. So, if you think it's too much work, just make your Caesar dressing ahead of time. And then when you're ready, grill some chicken, mix it all up, and enjoy. Until next time, my food loving friends, bye bye.